Hey guys, so today I wanted to clean my gas tank, which is an internal one. I have one here in that connects to the next one by that tube, so I have two, and I've never opened it before, and I've had the boat for like a year and a half now, so I thought it was time. The previous owner did tell me it was here that he opened to clean before, but he actually sealed it all off. I could see by the difference in paint that this is where he opened anyway. So I used the PMF, which is a great tool to work on fiberglass, as it doesn't make any dust, which is very annoying after. So I just use this to open on the sides, and you can make a clean cut, which is quite cool. I couldn't open, so what I did is I got a screw and a piece of rope, so I did this. You can actually, that's how I managed to do it, because as you can see I did a bigger cut than they did before, because, well, I couldn't guess, I guess. So, but it worked out okay. So this can be the base now anyway. So now it's all more or less clean, because I didn't film when I was opening. I'm just gonna do a quick video. So what is this? This is the measure gauge. Basically this goes up and down and tells you what the quantity is. So I'm gonna put a new one, which a friend is gonna give me, and this is gonna attach to my 6YC, and it's gonna tell me how much petrol I have. So I got this loose, and this is the cover, and it's still pretty dirty, so I'm still trying to clean all of it. So I was using just try to take all of the excess bits off, and you can see he had a paper sealer, but they actually added some silicone, and it's probably not the correct one. So I found that inside the tank they probably put too much around it, so it started almost melting, and it was all over the petrol. So it needs to be a special kind of silicone to do this. So I have to do a new sealant back and try to put the correct silicone in. I had more or less 20 liters still inside, but the engines were cutting when I was moving in the sea, so I guess this was that's how much I always have that I can't use in the tank anyway. I think the tank is about 350 liters, but I'm gonna make sure now that I've opened, and I'm gonna fill it up full from empty for the first time, to be honest. So I've put the wires, I've connected the wires. This is all stuck with the rubber. Now these is the cables that come from the gauge. I've connected them to the 6YC. It's the pink and the black one. You connect them too. I'll do the final connections later, just to test it out. So I've connected the fuel sensor, and in my case it's the ABYC. You have to check the three of them, and calibration I didn't need to do, so I'll show you now. So this is how it looks. See, now it appears tank full. And if I move to the middle, takes a while, but okay. It's a bit lower than the middle, but let's put it a little bit down. So we still, okay, all the way down. So it's okay. I'll put now 3/4 up or 1/4 down, just to see if that. Yeah, it's good. So I didn't need to do anything else really, and that's it. Now when all goes in, this will just come like this, and I'll put this screws before I didn't have access to the tank. Now I want to every year clean the tank. Now that I have new engines, and well, I'll put some silicone around just so water doesn't go in. Now the gasket is this one. I've got the inside bit because I don't want to put any silicone or anything. This should be enough. And it's this way. So, and then I'll just cut the excess with the, and now I've screwed them in the X, not too tight, but tight, but not crazy tight. And now I'm just cutting the extra gasket. So I take it out and it's done.